Most people choose a money transfer app based on habit, not logic. That's the biggest mistake you need to avoid. Because in 2026, the difference between the right app and the wrong one can affect fees, speed, and even whether your payment goes through smoothly. In this video, you'll clearly understand how Cash App compares with PayPal for sending money, and which one is actually better depending on your situation. Let's start simple. Cash App is built for fast peer-to-peer transfers, mainly within the US. It's designed to feel instant, almost like sending money to a friend through a chat. PayPal, on the other hand, is a global payment system used for both personal and business transactions across many countries. Now, here's the quick promise. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when Cash App is better, when PayPal is better, and which one saves you more money overall. Let's break down speed first. Cash App is usually faster for domestic transfers. If John sends money to his friend in the US, it often arrives instantly. PayPal is also fast, but sometimes transfers depend on processing checks or security reviews, especially for new accounts. But here's the problem. Speed is not everything. Now let's talk about fees. Cash App is often free for standard transfers using a balance or debit card. But instant transfers may include small fees. PayPal typically charges more, especially for international transfers, or when currency conversion is involved. Now here's where it gets interesting. PayPal is much stronger for global payments. If Alex in one country needs to send money internationally, PayPal supports more currencies, more countries, and more business-related payments than Cash App. Cash App, however, is limited geographically. It works best inside the US ecosystem, which makes it less flexible for global use. Security is another important factor. Both platforms use strong encryption and fraud protection. PayPal has a longer track record and more buyer protection features, especially for online purchases. Cash App focuses more on simplicity and instant peer transfers. So which one is better? If you are sending money within the US and want speed and simplicity, Cash App is usually the better choice. If you needed international transfers, business payments, or stronger purchase protection, PayPal is the stronger option. Now here's what most people get wrong. They assume one app replaces the other. In reality, they serve different purposes. Smart users often keep both. So here's the simple rule. Use Cash App for fast domestic transfers. Use PayPal for global payments and online transactions. To wrap it up, there is no single winner. Cash App wins on simplicity and speed inside the US. PayPal wins on global reach and flexibility. If this breakdown helped you understand the difference, hit like, drop a comment with which app you use, and subscribe for more clear money app comparisons like this.